Tucker, why are you looking so majestic? Todd, what are you doing? You better not be getting in my plant. Will you guys settle down? No, the chicken's not up there. Hey, you two, attention. What is this? How are we gonna do this, Todd? There, that's, you gotta do that the whole time, Todd, okay? Are we ready? All right, you two, father and son, are we ready to do a taste test? Yeah? You guys, I think, Todd, are you ready? Todd, what are you doing? Oh, Tucker. All right, first number one. Tucker, you don't even like this. Here. Tucker, you're just gonna chill up in outer space? Where'd you go, Todd? All right, what if I give you a smaller piece? You don't like it? What's the matter with it? Okay, I'll get rid of it. I'll get rid of it. Okay, so we've swapped sides, huh? Okay. Next up. Todd, you okay? Tucker, are you okay? Now this one's real important, okay? Tucker, eat it. Would you? Eat it. You have to eat it. Where are you throwing those, Todd? Next up, burgers. Okay, here we go. Easy. Don't eat my hand off. Todd, you gotta eat it up here. Tucker, don't eat. T, that was for your son. No, hey, wait a minute now. If you're gonna eat, yes. If you're gonna eat the burger, you have to eat the greens too. No, I don't think so. Eat those. Okay, now I got a special juice for you. Oh, good grief, the mess. Whoa! Hey, I hate to break it to you guys, but you know that's Tree of Doom juice? Oh. It's Tree of Doom juice, it's good for you. The moment you've been waiting for. Steak. Tucker. All right, so now we have Chimkin. Okay, you guys, settle down. It's just chicken. Now take it gently. I would like to keep my fingers. Ah! Easy. Good boy. One of the things that your dad can do is catch really good, okay? So we gotta see if you can catch. First, Tucker. Nice catch. Todd, ready? 1, 2, 3. Todd, ready? Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. It's under your belly. It's under your belly. Ready? Let's try again. 1, 2, 3. Todd? Oh, there he found it. Good boy. 1, 2, 3. Todd? Get it, Todd. Tucker! Oh. All right, so we gotta tell our fans, what do they need to do? Yes. Yes. How about you, Todd? Yes. Okay, all done.